The truth everybody is afraid to say in Nigeria. This man don finally broke the table. He don come talk the truth to tell Nigeria government as long as they remove a place where referendum and people wey wan comot for inside Nigeria project as long as they remove am, he say this country no go move forward because he can't force people to belong where they don't want to belong. The man don finally broke the table, tell them that they have to make amendment of constitution and include a place where people fit exercise their self-referendum or referendum sponsored by UN so that peace go fit dey for the country. If you want to dey for the country, you go fit vote say yes, I belong here. And the next time when you stand up say you don't want to be, they go remember you say shebi na you say you wan belong. So na so e be. I'm going to play this video for you to watch because things are really happening inside Nigeria. As that one dey happen though, they say that the Nig Army don say they don discover another camp of for kidnappers for inside Imo State, and they recover some people where they don't buy for inside the area. We are going to play the video as well. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time we come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you updates back to back as they hot. My people, let's quickly jump inside this matter. I beg you, share this video and subscribe to this channel and make sure say you dey follow as well. Okay, my people, let's jump into the matter. Go find out how it dey happen for that area. Many years, everybody is afraid to say this truth, but this man don finally come aside, come tell the federal government to make a provision for referendum for the people wey wan belong to the society to belong, or may they find way to leave those people, may they go. Now, only thing wey fit bring peace. I'm going to play the video for you to watch, and before we come back and continue.
If the Constitution maintains by Section 2 that Nigeria is one indissoluble nation and doesn't provide for means or procedure by which a people or a particular sector of the nation, a federating people, can choose to say at this particular point we want to have a nation of our own, and it doesn't provide for a peaceful means by which this can be guaranteed, there will always be frictions that will be leading to violence, killings, and bloodshed. And to avoid this, it is imperative that we look at that provision of Section 2 that says that Nigeria is one indissoluble, indestructible entity that doesn't make provision for the procedure by which a people can advance the right to self-determination. There have been many occasions where, on so many occasions we hear from the Arewa People's Congress or whatever agitating that yes, if Nigeria cannot work, they want to go on their own. The Biafra agitators are there. We have the Odua nation and what have you. If the Constitution provides for a procedure to determine peacefully whether a people can separate from Nigeria, you see that some of these agitations might be completely quenched. For instance, let me give you one. Tomorrow now, if we provide for referendum or plebiscite, these are political procedures for determining whether a nation or a nation in a country, because I want to take the definition of a nation here to mean the ethnic nationalities, maybe the Yoruba nation, the Igbo nation, the Arewa nation, or Ijo, Ibiobio, and what have you. Now, if a people can be entitled to right to call for plebiscite that can be supervised by international organs like the United Nations and what have you, it can be safely and easily determined that, okay, these people in this particular area as done in 1960, in 1959-60, if my recollection is right, with the people of the southern part of Cameroon who formed part of Nigeria before, but when they decided that no, they wanted to be on their own, then a plebiscite was conducted and they were able to have a separate nation of their own. If we say Nigeria is an indissoluble entity and will not tolerate any agitation by which people can determine whether they want to be on their own, definitely we are only calling for crisis on our own net. Tomorrow now, if you subject it to plebiscite, that okay, people of the Igbo nation should decide whether they want to be part of Nigeria or they want to have a nation of their own, you might find a situation that the majority may say they prefer to be in Nigeria rather than having a Biafra. And that will silence the people who are agitating. And if people who are agitating are in the majority by virtue of the plebiscite, Why not allow such to just take place peacefully, so that there is no sense in remaining one single entity by force that may lead to bloodshed and what may even be characterized as genocide, because a situation where that is allowed, then we have descended below the level of humanity. So these are some of the provisions. Going to the political level, to some of the political angle that may require some intervention.
We have been saying this thing. They will say these people waiting for social media, they talk it anyhow. Catch them, harass them, shut them up. But this will not solve this problem. The only thing that will solve this problem, whether you believe in Nigeria or you do not believe in Nigeria, whether you want Nigeria to be one or you don't want Nigeria to be one, as long as people, any small thing, people say, I want to go. The Ariwas are talking that they want to go, yes, but they are not being serious on it. Then the Yorubas are saying they want to go and they are serious on it. The Igbos say they want to go. Other tribe in Nigeria say they want to go if it is this way. So what is the solution? Is to call for a round table and to make sure that the provision where everybody we vote, we want to belong, will be and also observed by the international community, so that tomorrow nobody will say that we did not vote. So when they say that, you have the right that time to do anything that they want to do, but as long as you keep trying to bring people together by guns and bullets, nothing is going to work, because it's like a room where everybody is being inside. Some are working to put the room in order and some are working to destroy it. So tell me how we are going to achieve the goal of peace and unity inside that house. It will never happen. The best solution is what this man is talking here. Let the provision be made and let people decide their fate in Nigeria. My people, let's go to Imo State and find out what in the Nig Army say they discover for inside that area. Okay.
Somebody's going to the other one. Different.
This is such a way that we can get it from people. When else you come and put matches, the fresh. So people may know.
Driver's license.
Nina makanya.
Uncle Victor, now. That fresh one. Any fresh one that start with it. Where you got
This video goes viral in the internet and also brings some comments which we are going to say here. Some say that why are Nigeria Army and the federal government are not using this power in Sambisa forest? Why the people also tell them that may they use this power when they take they enter inside east where peace dey, and try to, now then they put problem for inside those areas. Say may they use that power go Sambisa forest where the bandits and the Fulani herdsmen and also Boko Haram they operate freely. And for inside southeast where they suppose call the youth and know what is the problem, they say na gun and bullet they want take enter for inside that area. But for inside north, they go say na peace, they need to talk peace, and they will give them money. Say how Nigeria will be one with all these things you people are doing. This is the comment coming after this video that you just watched, as they have claimed, because I'm seeing them writing another thing that they have captured one IPOB ESM camp in Imo State again, and this is what people are saying about that video that you just watched. My people, share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. But the truth remains the truth. The Nigerian army and Nigeria government should use this power they are using in Southeast, also in the North, where the main things are happening, where the terrorists, where all bandits are operating. And the worst part of it is that when they arrest them, they rehabilitated them and put them in the military, or they will set them free, as they want to release more than 300 Boko Haram they arrested recently. But when you come to IPOBSM, IPOBSM is their biggest problem. Once they catch you, they go buy you. How Nigeria go fit be one? That's the question that we want to ask. But however, share the video and leave your opinion for inside comment section as it dey hot.